Hello guys, today I am at the second point known as Seven Wells Waterfall. Lovely place, but you need to burn out your calories a lot of calories. Just see the view, scenic, lovely place, but you need to walk here a lot. When I say a lot, it's a lot. You can see the sea, you can see the mountains and a beautiful valley. You can see I can try to zoom out a bit. You can see the cable cars going up in the sky cable for the testing. I'm here at this point, at this lovely viewpoint at 8:30 in the morning. Lovely view, 30-minute hike from the ground level. Scenic, come here, rest, see the scenic, mind-blowing place, just enjoy the view. We'll reach the third point and we'll join you back. Thank you.